Hello friends, I thought it might be fun to show you my planner setup for 2024. I'm going to set the mood with a little bit of my favorite calming spray, and I'm going to show you the Passionate Penny Pincher planner. And this is the one that I decided on to use, though I love Erin Condren, I love plum paper planners. This planner takes so much guesswork out for you. So if you're someone who likes lists, this is the one for you. And to set it up, I actually bought the sticker book, the new sticker book this year, and I used the little tabs that came with it to divide this front section, which as you can see is full of helpful checklist things that just get all those little nagging things off the back of your mind. She's already thought it out for you. That's why you will love this planner if you have a lot of brain fog, chronic illness, a busy schedule, or you're just forgetful. So I filled out some of it, and some of it's still blank, as you can see. I did go ahead and write my monthly checklist down. I'm wanting to do some one-on-one dates with my kids, make sure that I'm sending birthday cards every month. And then I had some quarterly things I put down as well. I haven't filled out the project list or financial goals yet. Honestly, I don't know what they are 100%. I want to sit down with my husband and get on the same page as him. Now I'm just showing off these dividers because they are beautiful. I actually cut the dividers out of my last Passionate Penny Pincher planner, and I'm going to make them into gifts. I'm also showing you how I've customized the notes page that is the beginning of every month. I want to make sure I'm recapping how I felt every month. I'm setting really realistic, easy goals, and then I have a place to recap those as well. I don't use the monthly part of a planner very much, though I do think I'm going to put birthdays on this one and just leave it at that. And then this is the weekly spread, which I'll show you more in just a minute. Here's the sticker book for this year. I love it because all of her sticker books, like the one last year and the year before that, are all different. So if you collect them all or get them like as a bundle, you get a lot of really helpful stickers, and the colors, just everything is clean. It coordinates. It's very practical, but she does still throw in some decorative stuff as well to make things pretty. I've found that for me with planning, there are some weeks where I love decorative stickers and other weeks where everything's scribbled out. And in this planner, I don't feel like that matters. In my Erin Condren, I feel much more like I have to decorate every single page. So I'm showing you now the accessories box. This was optional. I have some things in there that did not come, like these did not come. These are from the plum paper planner. You'll see how I use these in just a second. But I wanted to show you what came in the accessories box because I thought it was such a good value. The first thing was this cute little zipper pouch that would make a good pen pouch or cosmetics case. It had the pen holder, the clippies, which I already have one of the magnetic bookmarks in the planner, and 3 of those gold pens. My youngest son has already stolen one from me because he loves shiny things. And then it had this clip-in post-it notes. And what's cool is that this allows you to customize the printed lists in the weekly spread. I have found that some of the things I just don't do daily. And so now I can actually put the things there that I want. And so A+ 100 is my rating on this accessories kit, even if it just included these sticky notes. You can see each day has a task. There's the task you do every day up at the top, and then there's little mini tasks like dusting furniture, cleaning bathrooms. There's also a New Testament Bible reading in this planner. So if that's a goal of yours to get more into the Bible, she makes it possible, and everybody that has this planner is reading along with you. These checklists also came in the accessories kit. Now, they are in the front of your planner, but there's only one copy of each of these. So this makes it where you can use them as like a wipe-off board and meal plan, or if you have company over a lot or more than one vacation a year, these would be good for you to have. And then she included 3 of these pouches with pockets. What I'm thinking might be nice is to have one of these pouches clipped in on the current week that I'm in for things like tickets, receipts, whatever that I need to have on me for that week would be really helpful. So I wanted to show you. So this prayer page is actually from the Plum paper planner. Since I'm not using that in 2024, I cut those out and just taped it over the budget page. I don't do a written budget, but I want to show you, if you don't tape the prayer thing over it, obviously you're going to have this standard. So each month starts with a notes page, and each month ends with the budget worksheet. And then the very end of the planner has some notes pages and a pocket folder. I've stuck some recipes in there and some old stickers from last year. So yeah, I'm ready to get 2024 started. I think I'm going to do another video where I go more in depth with my goals and my resolutions and all that good stuff. So stick around, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video.